good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, this is for the cooks at home that don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. It's basically a dump and run type of dish. But we're going to do smothered pork chops. But I've done this before, but I haven't done it with cream of mushroom soup. So that's what we're going to do it with in a power pressure cooker over some rice. It's absolutely wonderful, and it's an easy meal that people think you slaved in the kitchen for hours to do. But hey guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some smothered pork chops. Alright guys, so the supporting cast looks like this. Of course, you gotta have your bone-in pork chops. I got 3 bone-in pork chops here. It's just me, so that's all I need. I'm not gonna eat them all. I got some parsley for garnish and to go in the actual dish. Some celery. That's about 2 stalks of celery. This is a half of red pepper, red bell pepper. Then this is a half of onion. We got some chicken broth, the W sauce, some seasoning salt. Gotta have the cream of mushroom soup here, 2 cans. I'm adding a little extra mushroom here, just regular button mushrooms, and then some salt and pepper to taste. That's all I'm putting in. This is going in the pressure cooker for about 20 minutes and it's done. And it's gonna be good. I'm gonna serve it over some rice. So hey guys, let's get started putting this together. Alright, so first things we're gonna do is we're gonna season up our pork chops. Like I said, I got 3 of them here. We're going to hit it with a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. Don't be afraid to do both sides. Alright, we're going to hit it with some black pepper. We're going to put in some little bit of Lowry seasoning salt for some flavoring. As far as the dry seasonings go, that's all we're putting on there. We're going to go right over the pressure cooker and we're going to put these in and sear them off for a second. Alright, so we're at the pressure cooker and I'm putting these in here just to sear them off a little bit. Get some color on them, that's all. Try to fit all 3 of them in here. There we go. We're going to get a little color on one side and then we're going to flip them over and get a little color on the other side. And just another depth of flavor. This step is not really all that necessary. Especially in the pressure cooker. It's going to be under pressure anyway. But I like to try to get a little bit of color on this. So I'm going to flip these over. They got a little bit of color on them. Doesn't take very long. There we go. Try to develop a little bit more color on this side. Get them so they can lay flat. There we go. Develop a little bit of color on this side. Then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Guys, I've decided to add another ingredient, which is a can of cream of chicken soup, just to give it a little bit more broth. But we're going to go ahead and add our cream of mushroom right now. And I've already turned off the pressure cooker, so it's actually off, but you still hear it searing. So we'll let that side continue. 1 can of cream of mushroom. There's the other can, and now we're going in with the cream of chicken soup. Alright. So we got those in there. We're going to add our vegetables. A little bit of parsley. Not all of it, because we're going to use some of it for garnish. Throw our celery in. A red bell pepper. Now you can use any bell pepper you want. I just happen to have red. It's left over from another dish, so throw it in there. Got my onion in there. We're going to stir that up a little bit. Gonna go in with my W sauce. It's about a teaspoon of that. Gonna go in with about a cup and a half, 2 cups of chicken stock. Stir that around in there just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to hold off on my mushrooms until the end. Mushrooms don't take very long. So we're going to put this on for 10 minutes. I'm sorry, 15 minutes. So we're just going to lock it down. We're going to hit the soup stew button. If you don't know how to start your pressure cooker, just follow the instructions to the manufacturer or go check out some of my videos. Alright, so this is what it looks like after about 15 minutes. So we're going to put our mushrooms in. I'm not going to use this whole package. About half of it. It's not going to take very long for the mushrooms to cook. We'll throw the mushrooms in. And now I think I'm going to do a little bit of a cornstarch slurry. If you're not sure what that is, all it is basically turn the pressure cooker on, let it start to bubble, and we're going to equal parts water and cornstarch, cold water and cornstarch. About a half a cup of water, and I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix those up in the cold water. You got to start with cold. Alright, we're going to slowly pour that in just to thicken this gravy up just a little bit. There we go. It's going to thicken up as it cooks. Now the pork chops aren't quite where I want them to be, so I'm going to put these on for about another 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to put those on for 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. And they should be right where I want them to be. And I'll plate this up for you. Alright guys, so there it goes. That's what it looks like after another 5 minutes. So I'm going to plate this up for you on some rice. A little bit of green beans. And there we have it. Give me a moment. There you go. Homemade pork chops in a power pressure cooker over some rice and some green beans. You know I can't wait to get my mouth on this. That looks good, guys. It looks really good. Alright, we're going to give it a taste. You know I'm waiting for that bite. Good old smothered pork chop from the power pressure cooker. No time at all. 15-20 minutes. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Get a little rice. Oh, heavenly. Man, that melts in your mouth. I don't know what to say, guys. You gotta try it. If you like this video, do me a favor. Just go down below and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.